Hello, good morning everyone. Yeah, I'm in Sam Sand Dunes and stayed in the desert safari, desert camp. Everything is good here and we can enjoy a lot from camel safari or even jeep safari. The only thing I'm not that interested in here is after 8:30 and 9 they have started some DJ music and all, and I am not into it so much, so that is not my kind, but everyone was enjoying here. Okay, cool. Sunset was very awesome. Okay, anyways, here is the sunrise for you, and let us warm it up and go for a spin in the desert. Whew. That's full golden color sun is up now. I have to apply my full force only just to get back there, and temperature here is now 8 degrees. Maybe I should take a photo here. Please don't even think of going into the sand dunes with the two-wheelers. To get out from this end, literally two of us should pull that out. And we are all set to leave from sand dunes in Sam. Sam is a village which is 5 kilometers away from here. 536 kilometers to Udaipur, and ETA is showing 7:33. Everyone is going for jeep safari and you will definitely enjoy that. Tents में तो थोड़ा adjust करना पड़ेगा. If you want to adventure kind, then come to the tents or else go to some hotels. And here are the flat lands of desert. So as I told you, there is no sand everywhere. It's like plain lands, more kind of a plain lands, and in some places you will find that sand dunes which are famous for desert. And here is the Thar desert for you. This is how it looks like. I thought they have grown real grass on it, but it's an artificial grass cut like a peacock and giraffe. And now time is around 11 a.m. and we are in Jaisalmer. From here around 500 kilometers to Udaipur. And here we are stopping for the chain loop. दो बाइक पे ऐसा हो जाता है, कैमरा आएगा,
हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं, एक दूसरे से बात भी कर सकते हैं।
आप लोग नहीं मिलते ना तो 1000 बच जाता।
आप वो साइन बोर्ड देख के धीरे चलना, पुलिस पार होने से और उधर से मार सकते हैं।
गुजरात में तो ऐसा साइड मोड होता है, स्पीड भी होती है, लेकिन ऐसा पेट्रोलिंग जैसा नहीं होता है।
पेट्रोलिंग कभी देखा नहीं आज तक।
कर्नाटक में बहुत चलता है।
कभी बेंगलुरु आ जाओ।
Just now a family from Surat has met us and he was like in the urge to catch us. He's driving his car in 140 and 150 and he got a challan for high speeding. He has paid 1,000 challan and he has stopped by seeing us, and he spoke little bit about that, and he was too excited to know the things about Sena, GoPro and luggage system and everything. And that's it. It was a good interaction there. It will be like this for hundreds of kilometers, like literally 200-300 kilometers. It will be like this. But be cautious, all of a sudden these buffaloes and goats will be coming in between the road. Total complete barren lands. And here on the way to Udaipur, just stopped to adjust the saddlebag, and meanwhile two guys came and stopped near us and offered us a tea. और ये सवाई सिंह इसका टैक्सी चलता है, टैक्सी सर्विसेज है। जैसलमेर से कई ऑल ओवर इंडिया जा सकता है। हम साथ में चाय पी के जा रहे हैं। शुक्रिया। ओके। Here we are 250 kilometers away from Udaipur, and here in small village and in small dhaba, we got the best food till now in Rajasthan. Seriously, it was the best. And here so many of them know Karnataka, and some of them are even trying to speak in Kannada, because from this district like so many have been settled down in Karnataka, it seems. So my Sena is switched off and I have put a charge for that. Okay, let's go. Time is already 3:42. Come on, come on. And this Google Maps has brought us somewhere to the interior villages, and we just blindly followed it. After a while we asked the villagers there. They said, please don't go into this road, you just go to the highway and go from there. That's what they said. We should have not entered this road, but unfortunately Google Maps took us here and it's still showing us to take left. कहाँ पे लेफ्ट लो ना भाई इधर. Past 60 kilometers literally took us 1 hour 10 minutes, and totally we have come around 80 kilometers, and it's been 1 hour 40 minutes to get it 80 kilometers. So somewhat better road has come. Whew. Sirohi 38. From Sirohi it's a 4-way it seems, but till Sirohi if the road is like this also it's okay. Oh, it started getting cold winds here already, and now the time is, oh, it's already 5:30. It's been 2 hours for this 80 kilometer stretch. Oh my god, feeling cold winds already. If we soon get into the 4-way, I think we'll get to Udaipur before 9 or 9:30. Before 8 it would be better, because रात में ना it's getting 6 degrees and 7 degrees, which is not an easy task to ride. Here we are nearing Sirohi, which is 20 kilometers from here, and from there it will be a 4-way according to the guy in the fuel station. He said that from there it will be 4-way and you'll get a small guard there, and that region is called Adivasi. He told us not to stop there or near any stores near Adivasi area. And after that or before that you need to stop if you want to. So by the time it's evening, please don't stop there. And here we are in Samgat on the way to Udaipur, and it's a big mystery road, I can say, or something like that. Literally everyone, whoever we met today, has scared us to the hell that there will be goons and you will be looted, attacked. They are called Adivasis, it seems. After 8:39, no vehicle will be passing through this road, it seems. I don't know how much true it is. Everyone, whoever we met from the morning, like we have said them that we'll be going to Udaipur, everyone was like same thing. Before it gets dark, get crossed from that area. And we are exactly at that area, and literally there is some scared feeling inside. We are trying to pass this area at least by 8. By 8 I think we will reach the outskirts of Udaipur. Already the traffic movement has become less now, and I didn't find any village by the roadside. The houses are at the top of the mountains. And here we are in finally Udaipur. And in Rajasthan, by my preferences, one Mount Abu has been left. Okay, and goodbye for today. And it's been almost 600 kilometers riding today, so we're gonna take rest. Bye bye.